Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Charizard. I'm so happy to see you guys again. It's like a comeback. Alright, for the start, we're going to draw a U. Then, we're going to draw a little like a mountain, a sideways mountain. Then I'm gonna do another U and then another sideways mountain. And then a hump. Then we're gonna make the horn. Just like that. We're gonna make snout. Then we're gonna make a diagonal line. Make that a little bit longer. Then a little line down. Then another diagonal line. Then we're gonna draw two lines inside of the eye. And then we're gonna do a line, another U, and then a line. Then in the middle of that U, on the bottom, we're gonna make a curved line, and then another curved line on the top in that same place. Then we're gonna color in behind the top, behind that line you did at the top. That is the eye. And now, if you want, you can make teeth. Make them however you want them to. Be like triangles, squares, however you want. I'm doing triangles. We can do top or bottom first. Now we're gonna make a curved line at the back of its mouth, and then make lines inside that. Now we're gonna make half circles, not touching, but almost. And then we're gonna make 3 or 4 of these. That's gonna be the claws. Put some nails. Then we're gonna connect the neck and part of the body. Then we're gonna do the top part of the neck, just like that. Then we're gonna start making the wing. So we're gonna go up and then sideways. Then we're gonna go up and then go down a little bit. And then we're gonna go make a little slide and then go up, down, maybe make a little spike and then go back up, do that same thing. But this time do it backwards, right there. Then we're gonna make the inside of its wing. You see how that's gonna be blue? Then we're gonna make the other wing on the other side. And now, we're gonna make the back of it. Now, we're not gonna draw any legs. We're gonna draw a diamond. A little bit of a diamond, and then make it ground. It's coming out of the ground. Please comment to us, what is your favorite Pokemon? You might have saw my Pikachu drawing. And okay, now we're gonna make the tail come out of that. So we're gonna do a curve up, and then we're gonna stop, another curve up, going smaller and smaller, but it's not gonna touch. Now we're gonna make the flames on its tail. And then we're gonna make the other arm on the other side. I'm gonna add some grass and some rocks maybe. And soon I'm gonna fast forward and color. And before we do this, I want you guys to know I'm gonna outline everything in this in black. So I'm gonna use markers. All right, I'm gonna fast forward starting now. Well, see you later, guys.